Hello, constant viewers. Welcome to ICE OpenFX. I'm Ezra. In this video, I'll be breaking it down from our technical analysis, just like we have been doing it, and uh, and it has been a wonderful show. At least most of the things we have been like almost 90% of what we have been predicting on most of the pair that we have been following are actually what happening. All right. So you can check out the USD JPY. Good here. The PYs are marked. Though I talk about NAS 100, at least I'll give you update on NAS 100 again, likely in this week. All right. So check GPUSD. You will see more update on the pair, how market is working. So we'll be explaining our next impulsive wave on this particular pair, on mainly on intraday, hourly time frame, daily, weekly, and monthly time frame. All right. So now from this monthly time frame, just like I've been saying, we already know what we are doing on this monthly time frame. At least based on what market is showing, at least we are reacting with what with market. It's already telling us that what will be taking this low, but we can't say that it will take it quite easily. All right. So on lower time frame, will tell us if it will take it 100% or not. So coming to this weekly time frame and based on everything I've been doing, so we have been expecting this sell on intraday time frame, looking at lower time frame. So we see how market has been giving us a good entry in joining the sell with intent and everything, even the buy that happened within the move. All right, so going to daily time frame, which is this was the last area we have what a break of structure to the downside. So since we have our last break of structure here to the downside, what do we expect market? We expect market now to what? To continue. You understand that around this area there's no proper mitigation that happens, so it can what create a lower low from that area to take this low. All right, but this low is what a strong low. Why? Because it what raided this last low here, created a higher high from here. So before market take it, it will not be easy for market to what to read. It will not be easy for market to read. So that is why market is still what at this area. If not, market would have what taken this low with ease. So going to hourly time frame based on our previous analysis and everything I have been talking about. So on this time frame, we mark this POY as our what POY will be what waiting for price to react from our previous what outlook on this good. All right, so we also have from that previous outlook, I talk about this little area where how we can actually use it to expect what a pullback into this range. Why? Because of what on mitigation that happened on lower time frame within this range. So going to 1 hour time frame, you see the on mitigation last area of break of structure and this area as our what our POI. I mark these two POIs. I talk about this one. I didn't mark it and mark this as what a POI where we would expect a major sell in the market, and it happened. Also, this buy I call it out, and you see market what reacting from that particular area. These are the things you need to what understand. These are mitigation. Now, market doesn't need to come straight to what SC candle before you buy. We have what called mitigation based on time frame difference and everything that happens on lower time frame. All right, so those ideas of mitigation that happen in the market on lower time frame, market is fragile. What happened on higher time frame is the same thing that happened on lower time frame. So all these things that are happening on lower time frame that you think that can you actually thought maybe it will not happen on higher time frame, all of them with time you will see them happening on higher time frame. So this is how market works. This is how market works. I have already called this buy before it even happened around this area. I said we expected what a buy from this area, and it gave a good what reaction from that area. Also, I talked about this short sell around this area, also this sell. So it happened perfectly, just like I predicted on this Good. So going to intraday time frame. So I explained a little things about what market actually did on this intraday time frame. So looking at what market actually did here, after that on mitigation, market traded into a POI, gave a clean intent. So this intent is just what I want you to see right here. So market gave a clean intent right here. So after the intent, it gave entry, a sell into this major range. This is your secondary inducement because this one is not resting on anything. So all of them are what? Liquidity. So market read them as what? Liquidity, trendline liquidity. So all of them are taken out, and market give us a short intent right here for a buy, the same thing to the upside to what? Trade into that particular POI I marked previously. So market traded into that POI. You see the clean intent market gave, created a higher high right here, a higher low, a higher high. And this intent, it has what we call time frame rules. So those are the ideas of mitigation time frame with inducement. So market trade the same thing, uh, internal structure that market needs to take and the one that it need to what obey. From there, market gave us what? A clean bearish move. So these are some kind of trade that you can actually see now. Based on this week, what we'll be expecting on good from a higher time frame on this let's say hourly time frame will be what? Taking a hedge from this area, from here, or this particular black line you actually see here. So we take what? We look for hedge trade around this two area. We look for what? Lower time frame confirmation based on time frame. Then we take what? A hedge trade. So if the hedge trade is given, we hedge into this area, into this SE at first. So if that this area is broken, then we hedge into this area before we look for another sell to the downside. All right. So this is our view for the week. Overall, we are bearish on this pair. All right. Overall, we are bearish, but we look for what? A hedge trade, hedging a trade around these two POIs. So that is that on this good. Now looking at market from our quote data from the previous week, let's see what market actually did. So looking at that, people that are what going long on good itself, they are what decreasing. People that are going short are what increasing. This actually shows us that our view was what was correct. Even that means we are in line with what market is doing. All right. So checking their percent, you see how it's the percent is what decreasing in the long position, increasing in short position, the net position of everything. So is they are what reducing their long position overall on good. So reducing their long position actually is telling you that good what going up is what uh is what reducing. The people that are buying good are actually what reducing. So people that are what going short are increasing on good. The same thing on USD, people that are going long right here on good itself are increasing. I see it on this USD position here is what increasing right here. Then people that are going short is also what increasing based off from the previous data. So both of them are what increasing. So overall net position is what reducing long position. So the same thing that is happening on good is also happening what on USD. So this is actually showing you an area of what consolidation based on fundamental, but based on technical analysis, we have not yet what started what the consolidation yet. So until market is trapped within a range, and when market is trapped within a range, I will let you know. So until then, we'll continue trading the trend on good, which is to what to the downside. So this is telling you that our view is what is in line with what market is actually telling us. So that is that for this week. After this week, for the coming week, I will also update you. So if you have not been following us before, do share the link of this my YouTube channel with your friends so they benefit from this outlook. They understand how to what uh, have generate a bias, have a POI, a refinement, and trade just like I do. And you can check other of our what uh, our links like our Telegram. our Instagram and Twitter. Follow us up on all our social media so that you understand everything we are doing here on YouTube. So that is that. Good luck, good trading.